y'all, so I'm coming at y'all vlog style because I look like this. This is my update, my final update for the Roulette pen collab, round number 7. And again, I have everything like my marks and stuff in here. I'll get to that in just a second. This round is over until September, I think 15th. So they're going to be taking quite a few months break. You know, just because, you know, things are coming up. People have a life, okay? And so I get it, which is totally fine. So it gives me more time to like decide what products to declutter, because I'm still decluttering. So anyways, besides that's just extra info. Anyway, so with this palette, this is part of my Pan That palette that I also need to update you guys on. But the shade that I was focusing on was this one right here, Tempera. So you can kind of see, the more I get into the details and stuff, you can kind of see I have a dip, but I just cannot get through this dang shade. I use it to set my eyes, my eyeshadow primer, and I use it to highlight my brow bone, all the things, and it just won't go away. Anyways, that was part of my Project Pan, or I forgot the categories, okay? I cannot remember the categories at this point anymore. But anyways, I was trying to hit pan on that one kind of satin white or cream eyeshadow. Anyway, this blush right here, of course, in no way was I going to be able to pan a full-size blush in 4 months. But I just wanted to kind of rotate my blushes just because I am a huge blush junkie. This is the Ofra Madison Miller blush in Sweet Stuff. It's really nice. It's pretty. I like it. It's like a matte blush. But yeah, I just added this to kind of rotate my blushes. Let's do these real quick. Okay, so this one, after this Project Pan, I'm realizing I don't want to keep this in my collection anymore. It's a Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Babe Alert. And let me just give y'all a little swatch real quick. Hold on, y'all, give me a second. Let's see, sorry, the lighting is just so bad. I don't know where to put you guys. Where do I put y'all? Because I'm down here, so it's gonna be a little bit dark. Okay, so let's see. Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Babe Alert. It's kind of like a pale pink shade. Hold on, let me get a swatch and then I'll show y'all. So I love the applicator. I love the formula of it. It's like a soft matte kind of. So let's see. That is the color of it. It's pulling a little bit more like rosy pink than it really is. It's like a light pink, and especially on my lips, it looks like a pale pink. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. Like I said, this is a final update, so it's the decisive factor if I'm going to keep these or not. Oh, I'm still torn on this one though. This is my Kat Von D Nosferatu, I believe. Yes, liquid lipstick. Ugh, man, it's like a blood red color. Because I think Nosferatu is like a vampire or something like that. I don't know. I might be wrong. Anyway, I think I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it. It's still good. It doesn't smell bad. It hasn't gone bad. I haven't used it as much, but we'll see. Maybe I can rotate it or get some use out of it sometime this year. We will see this in a declutter. Not anytime soon. Probably in next year's declutter. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways. I'm going to end up keeping this. Wet n Wild, of course, I'm getting rid of it. This is the gel Perfect Pout gel lip liner in the shade Bear to Comment. Let's come to my little book over here. Hold on, let me see. I'm never organized, you guys. I am the queen of unorganization. Disorganization? I don't know. Okay, so the Wet n Wild lip liner is right here. I already put my mark for my final. So I didn't quite finish it all the way, but you can see where I started, this green line all the way to the bottom. So I got more than halfway done. So I'm pretty proud of that, but because it is Wet n Wild and their whole ordeal of their shadiness of cruelty free, it's I'm just gonna get rid of it. Okay, the next product, I actually made pretty good progress from the last update. It is the Because Cosmetics eyeliner. It's a brown eyeliner. So I started here at this line, and then you got my updates, and then my final. So I didn't get to finish this eyeliner all the way. I'm still going to keep it, and I'm still going to use it. Like, if I use it up, I'm going to buy it again because I really like this one. I just, you know, want to see how much use I could get out of this. If you're into project panning, I always leave my project pan playlist link down below in the comments or down in the description box. Also, I'm going to shameless plug my nails. If you're interested in my nails, I do send free samples, US only. Yeah, it's real nail polish, so I do have a link for that down below. Again, it's totally free to try, and it's US only. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yes, I did.